Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the shear tool. Okay, so I have a cube here and I'll press tab, so I can go to here. This is the shear tool that I can move it like this, and let us come back, Control Z. For example, I have this direction in the y-axis, so if I select this one, it will go like this. You see? Now let's see, like this. It will make it like it plays with the shape. Okay, let's see from these sides. You see? And let's press Ctrl Z and let's go with this one. It will play with it, with the form from the y-axis but from the z. Let us see. You see, it is still in the y-axis but it goes up and down in the z direction. You see? And another thing which I will tell you again, let's go to the control, let's press Ctrl Z and see another thing, which is this one. It will be the same. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, like this. Okay, Ctrl Z. Maybe you might think that then, what's another use of this? Let's see what's another use of this. For example, I have a shape like this and I want to grab it. I'll grab it, I'll press X and I'll go to the shear tool, and what I will do is that I want this one to be tilted like this. What I will do that is that I'll take this one like this here, and I'll go to the settings, which is here, and I'll press -1. Okay, and I'll go back to 1 and I'll extrude it. You see, I have extrusion like this, but I don't want like this. I'll press Z, then press Z, it will go in the right direction. You see? And I want this one to be corrected. I want it to be flat. I'll press S and I'll press X and I'll press 0 and enter. But it made something like this, which is, I don't like it. I'll press Ctrl Z and I will do scale and I'll press Z, so it will be flat in the Z axis and 0 because it is tilted in the Z. Okay, let's press let's go to this and let's work with this one. Let's go with this one and press -1. Okay, -1. For example, I have this one and I'll extrude it. I have again same problem. I'll press X and it will go in the right direction. And for this one, how to flatten this, I have to flatten it in the X axis. Why? Because it goes from this direction, from this to X axis. For example, if I flatten this to come this to here, I mean this one, let's see, if this one needs to come here, I have to what do? I have to move this to here, like in the X axis. Okay, you saw it. Okay, what I'm doing is that I'll press S and press X and 0 enter. You see, something like this. And this was the shear tool. I hope it was helpful and see you in the next video. Goodbye.